In the bustling world of e-commerce, efficiency is the name of the game. Enter ERPNext, a tool that empowers sellers to cut costs and scale faster. Imagine a single, streamlined platform that simplifies your business operations. From inventory management, sales, and purchases to customer relations, ERPNext has got you covered. Say goodbye to juggling multiple tools and hello to a unified solution. Cutting costs is a breeze with ERPNext. It helps you identify inefficiencies, reduce waste, and optimize your resources. But it doesn't stop there. ERPNext also paves the way for rapid scaling. With its robust features and easy scalability, your business can grow as fast as you envision. ERPNext is more than a tool. It's a game changer in e-commerce. It's the key to unlocking your business's full potential. So, take the leap. Embrace efficiency. Scale faster. With ERPNext, the future of your e-commerce business is in your hands.